In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge leads in Zoho CRM. Cleaning up duplicate leads is one of the easiest ways to keep your CRM accurate and your team focused. When you merge leads correctly, you avoid confusion, prevent double follow-ups, and keep all your important information in one place. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the manual Find and Merge method inside Zoho CRM, and we'll go step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, start by going to the Leads module in your Zoho CRM. This is where all of your lead records are stored. Take a moment to identify the record you want to keep as your main or master lead. This should usually be the most complete or most recently updated record. Click on that lead to open its detailed view. Once you're inside the lead record, look toward the top right corner of the page for the More Actions button, often shown as 3 dots. This is where Zoho hides a lot of the extra tools related to that specific record. Click that button to open the drop-down menu. From this menu, choose the option labeled Find and Merge Duplicates. When you select this, Zoho will open a pop-up window that guides you through finding other records that may be duplicates of the lead you currently have open. In this pop-up, you'll need to set your search criteria. Typically, you'll want to search by a unique or highly reliable field, such as an email address or a phone number. Choose the field that makes the most sense for how your data is organized, then click Search. Zoho will scan your leads and show you any records that match that field. You'll now see a list of potential duplicate records. Carefully review these results and check the boxes next to the records you want to combine. You can merge up to 3 records at a time, including the one you started from, so make sure you're only selecting true duplicates. Next, you'll choose the master record. This is the lead that will remain after the merge, while the others will be combined into it. You'll also have the option to pick which field values you want to keep from each record, so you can make sure the final lead has the best phone number, email, and any other important details. Once you're happy with your selections and the master record is set, click Merge to complete the process. Zoho will combine the selected records into one clean, consolidated lead, helping you maintain a tidy and reliable CRM.